How to change your WhatsApp number without losing chats. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your WhatsApp number without losing your chats or data. It's simple and safe. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on a device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Then tap the three dots in the top right if you are on Android, and then select Settings. On iPhone, just tap the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on Account option. Then choose Change Number. This feature lets WhatsApp move your account info, profile, groups, and chat history to the new number. Enter your old phone number in the top box and your new number in the bottom one. Make sure both are in full international format with country code. You can choose whether you want to notify your contacts about your number change, all of them, just those you chat with, or custom contacts. Tap Next and verify your new number by entering the 6-digit code WhatsApp sends via SMS. Once verified, your chats and account will be moved to the new number. And that's it. This is how you change your WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.